Hi, in this video, we're going to show you how to make your Zoom call go from this to this. Here are a few simple things you'll need before you get started. First, find a quiet spot that is near your internet router, have some kind of light source, and get something that you can use to prop up your computer. Now let's dive into our setup a little more. You'll get the best results if you can plug your laptop directly into your router using an Ethernet cable and an adapter if needed. This will ensure that you have a stable internet connection. But if you don't have that capability, just stay as close to your router as possible. Also, be sure to plug in your computer power supply. Your light source can be something mobile, such as a lamp, or it can be as simple as a window in the room. Just make sure to position yourself with the light source in front of you so it's lighting up your face evenly. Use books or another sturdy object to make sure the camera is at eye level so you are properly framed with your face in the center of the screen. To avoid feedback, don't forget to use headphones. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy Zooming!